All right, guys. Our finishing sand is stuck. We really need to put gravel in here. Karen, how much is a load of gravel?
4,500.
3/4?
That is the...
That's the finishing sand, right? Is that 4,500?
Yeah.
We need to get, how about gravel, a 3/4 gravel?
They already delivered.
How much is it though? Can we buy a load and just dump it here?
But sometimes, James, even you put the...
Yeah, because the
soil
base
still.
is no good. It gets mixed in. I understand that it sinks, but surely it must help a little bit.
We put a lot this last time.
Yeah. Well, we put it over there. Over there is better. It seems they got that far, but next time they'll get stuck there, because every time it gets closer to the axle. So you'd have to start back there and dump gravel all along there. Can't hurt though.
That is pretty heavy
Yeah.
because it's fine.
Yeah. That's a hard way to do things. All right. Did we need that sand today? Maybe we should have waited a couple days. It seems like we have maybe enough. I don't know how much they've been doing. All right, we better go have a look. All right. All right, well, they got the truck out. They got the sand dumped. Now we have a bunch of bags of sand over there. All right. So the path is pretty dry here. It's just this one low spot here that's giving us a lot of trouble. We need crushed limestone. The 3/4 gravel would be better than the sand.
James, you want take a video for you?
You're gonna dump a
show
load
the-
here?
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna
sand.
throw the bags in here? Yeah, I can do that.
So heavy, James?
Yeah, they're heavy. Maybe 100 pounds.
Yeah.
60 pounds. There's a lot more than bag of manure food.
Yeah.
More than a bag of cement.
That is a double that is
dense.
yeah. Unlike the cement. The cement is maybe 40 kilos.
Yeah, this is maybe double.
Yeah.
A bag of cement's easy compared to that one.
Yeah. It's okay, James. It's alright now. Oh, John Mills. Oh. John Mills.
Ubra kami sa ano itong bahay?
Yeah.
Tagwa pa ng bayan ng bupan. Ay, buati. Alas 6 anak kami buhian.
Oh.
Ay, ito ako kung sa inuras.
Okay.
Ubra. Ay, wati mo niila nga. Mag-ulit temprano nga, no?
That is the American strength.
Now you know why the
Yeah.
truck sinks.
Yeah. The truck is
There's a lot more in here than you think, weight-wise.
yeah. How about the sun in United States, James? Like that?
Maybe, yeah.
Because the sand of Aklan is so heavy.
It is. It might actually be a little heavier. I don't know what the material is.
Like
It's not the sand on the beach in Boracay.
yeah.
I'll bet that white sand is a lot lighter.
Yeah.
I bet this weighs twice as much.
Yeah.
Aklan sand.
Next time James says I get sand in Boracay, the white sand.
The government might not like us taking that sand. What are you going to do with that sand? I need it for my house.
Yeah.
Nani, may utol daan.
Grabe, ang hirap. Ang dagan niya.
That's good.
Yeah. How are the feeling, James?
It's a good workout. No need for the gym, yeah?
Yeah.
What do we do with these? We'll throw these all in, or what do we
Yeah.
do? Oh, here's one here.
That is my turn, James. It is my turn.
Your turn.
Yeah. The sack.
We turn them. Alright.
Dahil bubuan na nga, yung sa akin babaw. Ano na rito? Rito.
Yeah.
Balik ka sa ibang gapos na bago ginasok. Ito, balikan.
Yeah.
Ito ano lang. Ito mo lang. Ito lang, babaw.
Eh, tikwa nga niya. Ayan, milog.
Alright, good. Alright. Alright, Todd, thank you.
Sun is so heavy.
Very dense. Now I want to go read about that. What makes the Ackland sand so heavy? You want to know something? Tomatoes like it.
Yeah.
You planted-
is already right.
You planted tomatoes in the Ackland sand, they grow, which is strange. Even that small load is heavy. All right. All right. Well, I'm glad that's nearly over anyway. Just like that, Missouri. Always need more and more and more stone. Sinking up to the axles in the clay, getting another tractor to pull out of it, breaking the chains. Same. We got a lot more help here though. That's one good thing. People aren't afraid to get their hands dirty here in Ackland, right, Ton? You're not afraid to get your hands dirty and do some work.
Yeah.
That's not necessarily easy to find back in the States. There we go. Alright. It's a good truck. Like that truck. I'm gonna go look at the grill on that truck and see what model it is. Alright. Isuzu, should have known. Good truck. Heavy duty. Ton, you changed the oil filter?
Yeah, because the oil filter is damaged, James.
Oh, that's bad for the engine, Ton. Is there metal in there?
Yeah.
So is there an oil filter like that on the XRM?
The XRM is no like this. The XRM is There's a magnetic.
That doesn't even make sense to me. I can't even fathom that Honda would do that. Suzuki puts a paper element and Honda does not?
Yeah. The
Really?
Honda is, yeah. The mechanism of Honda is not the same in
Wow.
Suzuki.
Or better change the Honda.
Yeah.
Better change it. You got, if you don't have a filter, you got to change it more often. A permanent magnet's nothing.
This is our need to pay.
Today?
Yeah, here.
For this load?
Yeah.
Okay. 14 what?
We have balance before the 9,800
Okay.
and today that is
Today's
4.
load is 4,500. So what's the total? 14,000. Is that a 300? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Take over vlog.
So before they deliver here, guys, there's a lot of crazy drama that happened. All of our workers help so that this truck can go. Maybe that is our last delivery, guys, since we have enough sand already and we ordered too much 3/4 sand, and we have also in front, so maybe we will just use that for our septic tank. But we need now, guys, is the fine sand in order for us to finish the walls, so we don't need already this big sand. So later, guys, I'll buy them their food because they have break, which is 3 p.m. and for the driver also of the truck. What, James? 13,300.
There's 14. I need 300. We're running out of cash.
I'll ask my brother if he have 300. And also, James, I am going to buy later their food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here's 14. I'll go get some more. Let me wash my hands.
Ton, may 300 ikaw. May 300 ka. What coins? 14, 300.
Ay, ano kulang na? Ano lang galing to?
500? May 500 ka.
All right. Well, the crew had a really good idea to take some dirt from here and dump it on the road to make the road higher so that the water doesn't pool there.
Yes, they are putting in the truck.
Yeah.
So that they will use this to make the road not really.
If you raise the road, the water doesn't pool there, then it stays dry and you don't have this problem. The problem is that's the lowest point, so it's always wet.
Yeah.
And if the water rolls off, the sooner the water rolls off, if it's not pooling there, it doesn't absorb. The road stays dry, you have no problem. So it's
And this kind of.
it's very compact and firm, so it should make a very good road.
We should make that using motorcycle also.
All right, so let's go get them some snacks, food. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
This is the national tree of the Philippines.
Okay, so we used the cocoa lumber just because it's cheap, but this one is harder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's better.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
earlier, guys, James was
Yeah, it broke the end off. The cocoa
fell
lumber is
there.
very weak.
The coconut
It's weak.
durable if the coconut tree is old tree.
If it's an old tree,
Yeah.
okay.
But this is not old.
Not
It's too
dense. It's too soft. Interesting. Well, I didn't know all that. But it's cheap anyway, so it's plentiful. So
old. Yeah.
but this Nara is better.
It's cheap and durability is so cheap. The same.
You just gotta beware when you're stepping on it.
So we have a container here, guys, because we're buying water here in this area. Ouch.
All right.
I don't know if we will fit there with this container at the back. Allah,
We need to
scary.
get a water bladder that fits in there or a bigger box.
Yeah. La. Scary. You will get wet. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
It's spilling on my back.
Hello.
What's the matter with that cap?
Maybe it's broke.
Is it okay? Should I go?
Yeah. You are comfortable?
Not really, but I'll make it.
Hello.
So this is how we get drinking water for the crew.
Yeah, this is how we buy water here, guys.
How much does the water cost?
35 pesos.
35 pesos. So the water business is a good business.
Yeah.
Pump the water out of the ground, filter it, sell it. Pure profits almost. And Karen, I'm getting a vat full of water right now. Good thing I decided not to change that dry t-shirt until later, right?
But you can change after because it's already dried there. The sun is very hot. Oh, ho.
Interesting theory. The sun is very hot. Hey, the little guy.
You have shirt also there.
You're so skinny. What happened?
That's why I'm always bringing a t-shirt and shirt for James, guys. It's good I brought the shirt and short.
You look so stressed. What's the matter?
You got your phone.
Yeah, I lost my phone for 10 minutes. My. It's on the floor in the Nipa hut. Not a biggie.
That's what Kwekishan bought yesterday.
Oh. Let me see what he bought. We got us some light bulbs so we can get some light in here. It's good. Electrical tape, fixtures. All right, good. Ton, how much was all this?
4 or 5 James.
4,500?
100. Because the other is here. Because
Okay, you bought a lot of wire.
This is per meter is 33 pesos.
33 per meter?
Yeah, this
See,
is 50
you bought
meters.
4,500 pesos worth of electric supplies?
Yeah.
All right, good.
And,
Where'd you get it? From City Hardware?
Yeah, I post.
Fooz? Okay, Fooz is the cheapest.
Because the city hardware is too.
More expensive than Fooz for that.
This is for light ends.
Yeah.
Lights. And
Now you got a tangled mess though.
the outlet is again.
Ton, we should put some in the wall though, don't you think? Just drill it in the wall, staple it there, put an outlet in.
Yeah, if the finishing is finished.
On the out, you want to put it on the outside.
Yeah.
The American way is, and a lot of the commenters are going crazy because they put it in the wall. They're using conduit or something, and they're putting. To me, you know, I grew up on a farm. I don't care. It's not, to me, it's all looks good. Like you guys got it on the mountain. So that looks really good. I'll take that over a plaster or plaster board any day of the week. Looks really good. That Ackland River sand and some Portland cement makes a nice finish, huh? All right, Karen.
If in the Iloilo and the Capiz province is
They're stealing our sand from Eklund?
Yeah.
That's funny. Costs a lot of money, a lot of diesel oil to move that sand all the way down to Iloilo.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's one place where we win, yeah, right, Karen? We have good sand here. You don't have to ship it.
There's a lot of sand also, but the quality of sand
Quality is good for finishing here, yeah. Makes that nice gray color. All right. Looks like Ton's going to get us some light in here. Yeah, temporary lighting. All right, you making an orange king? Yeah. We know what that is in the United States.
You have that?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Since I was a kid, they used to send that up, I believe, with the astronauts, right? There's a big marketing thing. Hang, it goes up on the space shuttle or something. All right. It's hard work sifting sand, huh?
Yeah.
Making fines for the finishing.
So that the result is good. You
Yep.
see that inside earlier.
Yep. So the workers are filling that dump truck back up still for the road. And we put some of that trail they're removing on the road. Aaron's learned how to do the sifting job.
But throwing this is a little bit difficult for me.
Why?
Sige ako na.
You did it that time. Yay, you did it. Okay. All right, we're going to go over some expenditures we had this week. We're going to do the labor later in the week, total labor cost. But right now we're going to talk about the materials we've been getting dumped here, the sand. So we had how many trucks to screen sand?
19.
19 trucks of screen sand.
And 3/4 sand, which is 23 trucks.
Three quarter, which is gravel. It's like pebbles, right?
Yeah.
And then that's 23 trucks.
And the mixed sand.
Mixed sand and stone is 15
Yeah.
trucks.
And then fine sand,
That was today, right? One
Yeah.
truck of fine sand. That big truck that got stuck out there.
which is cost 4,500 today.
So that's 4,500 pesos.
So the total of sand that we bought is 58 trucks since we built this.
58 trucks.
Yeah.
And we used the clay for the foundation, so it would have been a lot more.
Yeah.
So what else you got there?
And coco lumber that we use as what do you call this, James? Foundation to help the form. Yeah.
Okay, so the cocoa lumber that we use to help
Yes.
with the forms and
Yeah.
the stairway and all that, the ramp is we bought 430 pieces.
Yeah. And the hollow blocks, total of the hollow blocks that we used here, guys, is 4,000 pieces.
4,000 hollow blocks.
Yeah. And the cement that we bought.
This is a big one.
Yeah, this 650 bags.
650 bags of cement so far, guys.
And then 16 bars, 200 pieces.
Okay, so we got 16.
That is the biggest.
So we got 200 pieces of 16 millimeter bars. We've got 12 millimeter bars at 340 pieces. 10 millimeter bars is 810 pieces. And 9 millimeter bars, the ones we put in the floor, are 190.
So the total,
2,190 bars total.
wow, the bars that we used
So-
is a lot, 2,190.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
there's a lot of steel bars in this house, rebar. All right.
But there's bars left, guys, that we didn't.
Yeah, there's going to be some extra left.
Yeah.
Some larger bars. Okay. So what else we got? And the cement, guys, has been how much? 205 pesos a bag.
Yeah.
So the people are asking how much does cement cost. We bought 650 bags at 205 pesos a bag.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And we'll get you the rest of the totals on the rebar later. So that's what we've got.
For this week, guys, since it's Tuesday today,
Yeah.
we cannot still compute
Yeah. We
all
don't.
the expenses that we
Yeah,
used.
we'll do a big picture costs in a couple days. So the rough finish is coming along good. I'm really happy with what they're doing here. Yeah, it looks good. All right, looks good.
This is our master's bedroom, guys.
Yeah, this is the master bedroom. CR for the master bedroom goes that way. That goes to the living space. And they got started on this wall here. So
They make also here, James, a little bit. Here. It's
there goes Ton. I guess he got the oil filter in.
Yeah. Here also.
Oh yeah, okay. So they're getting a lot accomplished. You can do a little over there too.
And
Alright.
then for our septic tank, guys, there's a worker that work also there. So
Yeah, they got that. That's going pretty deep now. Go out there and take a look at that.
oh, this and then. And my brother guys also bought the lights from here.
Yeah.
Roxy.
This bedroom is going to be awful nice, Karen. Are we going to put a big window in this corner too?
I don't know.
Maybe this one should be my recording studio. It's awesome. Especially in the evening. What do you think?
James dreaming a
We do our 3-hour a day podcast every day. This is going to be a beautiful place to do it.
so
Yeah, I'll be able to look out the window.
let's
Go check the diggings here.
is it deep enough?
I have no idea. Your foreman and the workers know more about it than I do.
Yeah, that is very
I'm going to go with their recommendations.
oof. Because our workers are busy earlier helping the truck driver. And
Yeah,
they-
we lost some time there because they ended up
Yeah.
helping with the stuck truck.
So I stopped already buying sand, guys.
Yeah.
I will let them
Sift.
sift first, and then we have also there in front of our house that screen sand also. So
Yep.
maybe I use that. And I need that sand also, guys, for my garden.
Yeah, it works out pretty good.
Yeah.
The plants seem to love it.
Because I wanna make a lot of eggplants. Plant more eggplants.
All right. All right, we got a chicken feed delivery.
From Shopee.
Roxy thinks it's a dog food delivery.
Yeah. Ano gusto mo mura? Makanin habang ako makapakanin mo.
It's good. Is that 16 or 18?
18 James.
You get it from Balete?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's what they've been getting, so it should work out fine. Yeah. We won't have to go every other day to get a.
Harap nga here, 18%.
This is packaging. Labeling.
Crude protein 18. All right, that's good. Not dog food, Roxy. Sorry. All right. There you go, guys. What's up, Karen? Say hi.
Hi guys.
So Karen's planting more of her eggplants. She's transplanting, rather. I'm just letting the little guys out.
Look at the roots.
Yeah. And the ones you planted yesterday, I'm amazed that they didn't wilt at all. That's a really good hardy strain of eggplant. I'm very happy with it. There you go, guys. There you go. It pays to keep your little chickies tame. Look at them go. You're not a little chickie. You're not a little chickie, Roxy.
You like attention also.
She's an attention hog for sure. Where you going, guys? They're not that hungry now that I opened the door. They don't want the pellets. They want to go eat some green stuff.
Yeah. Look at their stomach.
Yeah.
Hey, don't go to my eggplant.
and the tomatoes. I have some pellets, guys. Keep them out of trouble.
Roxy's there.
The other ones are jealous over there.
Don't let them out because they will.
No, it's too many. They'll fight, yeah. Oh, look at this. They're getting the zoomies.
They're happy because they can fly.
I wonder how those feet, the feathers on their feet affect their aerodynamics.
So I wish that we can stay here now so that I wanna plant all the space.
We gotta like make a little screen porch with just screen around it, so we can sit at night on the porch in the evening, you know, whenever, and let the little chickies and everybody out and watch them.
Yeah. Uy.
At least Roxy's not messing with them.
Yeah.
Those are your friends, Roxy. Karen, is that the Americana, the first one that hatched? That's chick number 1 that we hatched here in the Philippines. Come here, Americana. Oh, come here. All right, you're looking good. Yeah. Oh. It's talking friendly. These are friendly birds, Karen. Yeah. You're good girl. Good chickie.
They are tame because we raised them, not the mama.
Yeah, they think we're the parents because they came out of the incubator. So if you want little garden pets that you can turn out of their cage and let them wander around and pick them up and put them back when you're done, that's the way to do it.
I mess with the roots. Is it okay?
You can try, just plant it and see what happens. It's better not to mess the roots up. It's better if you and so Karen's doing this thing they do here in the Philippines. I don't do that back in Missouri with the charcoal, but you guys do, huh, Karen?
Yeah. Eggplant like the charcoal.
Well, it's carbon. It's carbon.
In Kaingin, where we plant the rice, we need to burn first before plant.
That gives you an instant reaction to burn like that. But if you just bury the same organic matter, it's time released over a longer time, and you lose less carbon that way, which improves the soil better. Yeah, but if we're going to build the coop over there and get them all out, so we'll turn them all out while we're watching for like 2 hours every evening. Herd them around the garden, let them eat the bugs, but not destroy any of the vegetables. Use them for bug control and let them wander around and gather some vegetation for the vitamins and everything. I know when the chickens are at the stage where they lay, my leghorns always laid much better if you let them out a little bit every day. See how they're eating all that, picking at the green stuff down there? They like the legumes, the creanless spedza and the peanut plant. They like to eat the flowers off the peanut plant, I noticed. And here comes Tauntaun. Yeah, he's coming back. I just saw him. There he is. All right. Yeah, very docile chicks. That's good. You like that gray one. All right, we'll go.
Hello. They like outside.
Yeah.
They're happy also. They have new bottle of water and then food.
Our little garden companions here.